channel. My name is Priya and today's video is a Iringal haul. Now I had been to Iringal. You all might have come to know that because I had uploaded a day in my life when I went to Iringal. If you all have not watched it, please go ahead and watch that video. It's a fun video and I'll leave the link of that video in the description box below. Now I did not do a Iringal proper haul, like proper Iringal shoot, is because I was very I had many things on my plate for one day and I was very short of time. That's the reason I did not do a Iringal video, but we will go ahead and shoot in Iringal the next time I come to Kerala. However, I have shopped a lot as usual because I love Iringal and I love shopping from there. It's like a local, it's called Iringal Sargalayam. So I just love buying from there. So these are these are all the things that I bought from Iringal. So in no particular order, let's go ahead and begin. Without further ado, let's start. And before we do that, please press the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. So let's begin. You'll hear, please ignore goat crying or the cook, this one's bus honking, because it's a main road and it's 11 a.m. so it's quite a busy road. So yeah, the first one is this painting that I got from Iringal. This is Saraswati Ma's painting. So I have not done a room tour. So if you all have seen my room, there is a corner where I have two paintings. So I thought this would be a very nice addition in that corner. So this is Saraswati Ma's painting. This was for 220 rupees. Now the price tags, if there are price tags on this, I'll mention the price tags. Otherwise, I'll mention down below. I've kept the bills also. I'm saving all these bills. So yeah, this is the first one that I bought. You don't need to frame it or anything. You can directly put up this painting, this art. So yeah, first is that. Then second, I bought this bag. Now I have, this is African cane. Yeah. So this is some African cane from which they make it there only. So you can fold it anyhow you can fold it. I have a tote bag with this. And usually if you're staying in a hostel and stuff, they buy these bags so that even if you don't wash your clothes for many days and if you put it in this bag, it does not stink as much. So yeah, this is this. So you can fold it anyhow and it will come back to its shape. So this, I kind of bought it because Harish takes tiffin to work and he does not have a tiffin bag. So I thought this will be a good one for him to put his bottle and tiffin and everything. So this one, this was for 410 rupees. Yeah, 410. So this is the second one. Bags ka third one, this is the third one which I started using it right away. I really liked it. Actually, I wanted it in a little more bright color like yellow or orange, but they didn't have it. I really liked the work here, and this is again made there only with the cotton. They make cotton. There's I've put that video also in the day in my life, so you all can go ahead and see how do they make it. So whatever they do with that machine, so you can watch it in that video. So they do it there only. So the entire design and everything is made there. And I really liked how it was. And it was very cheap. It was just for 650 rupees or something. So that's the reason I bought it. So this is the back. And then I was like, I kind of like grey because it will go with everything. Orange and yellow might not go with everything. But this will go with everything. Okay. The other one is this plate that we bought to have a dinner, lunch or whatever. We liked it and we bought it. It was just for 150 rupees. Let me keep it carefully. All fragile stuff, let me just get done with it first. This is another water bottle that we got. Matke ka, to thanda rahega pani, considering how garmi it is back in Ahmedabad, फिर Kerala. Already I'm sweating and here there's no AC ka thing. So yeah, this one is for 100 rupees. This carry bag is done. Okay. there are few items that I've bought as gifts. So what I'll do is that I'll just put up the pictures of that because I don't want to open it since they are gifts and stuff. So yeah, these were a spatula and a spoon that we bought. This is like a roti cutter. Okay, it says it's roti cutter. I don't know why I bought it. Yeah, so this is a roti cutter. It was 70 rupees. And this is a spatula that I got for 40 rupees. These are wooden ones. So very healthy, very nice and good for you all. So use a wooden spatula. Steel, wooden, all are fine. Aluminum is not good for health is what they say. So yeah, this is that. The clutch, I've been searching for this for the past 2 days, as in since I came from Sargalam. So I have the clutch. Let me tie my hair. Okay. I don't know how I'm looking, but it's okay. I tied my hair because I'm feeling really hot. And please don't mind my avatar, guys. I have a train to catch at 3 p.m. and I have to shoot this. Uske baad, I had been to a temple in the morning. I just came back. I had been to one of my relatives' house. I had been to temple. So I just came back just now. I just changed and edited. Actually, I should have shot it in the set sari only. Why did I remove the sari? Yeah. Whenever you go to Iringal Sargalyam, make sure you collect bills. Because and they will give you bills even if you forget. They'll call you and they'll give you bills because you can submit everything like all the bills at the counter and then they give you a free gift. We also got a free gift. I'll show it to you all. So this was the neck piece that I bought. Shell neck piece. This is a bamboo cup that I bought. So this is one of the gifts that I have to give. I'll put up a picture. This was again a gift. This is like a showpiece which is made of coconut shell. So go ahead. I'll put up a picture here because then I won't know how to pack it back again. These are few wooden forks and spoons and bamboo sorry, not wooden, bamboo straws. I use steel straws. I don't use plastic straws. Like when I went for my road trip, Gujarat road trip, that time I had forgotten to take and then I had to think in plastic straws itself. Otherwise, I generally avoid it. If you all have not watched my Gujarat trip vlog like Somnath, Girnar and Gir, Sasan Gir, then please do watch it. I mentioned that also in the description box below. So yeah, these are few spatulas and chopsticks and fruit picker and straws that I bought. They were all 20 rupees each, so I bought it. The thing is that we like, okay, it's just 70 rupees, it's just 20 rupees, it's just 50 rupees. Finally, it is like once it's 1000, you're like, where did I even spend it? I just spent 20 rupees, 20 rupees. This happens with me every time and I never learn from my mistakes. So, yeah, this is a pouch that I got. Now, this pouch was for 140 rupees. I really like the pouch. I can keep a lot of stuff in it. So yeah, this is a pouch that I bought. Nice color and everything. But I hope it doesn't get dirty. So this was a steal that we got. We got these linen pants which were made there. Free size linen pants. And these were just for these were just for 300 rupees. These pants, like linen pants, are so expensive. These were just for 300 rupees. They are free size. You can wear it at home. You can, in fact, they are so of such good quality that you can wear it outside also. On a white kurta and all, it will look amazing. Like at least you can wear it to office and stuff. So this one. The other two are my sisters. And she got this one also. I really like the color and the lines of this. But then since she had got it, we didn't buy the same one. She got another one like this. And then she got this kapda which she can stitch kurtis. This is pure cotton without any mixing. So yeah, I really like this print. and the color of it. Like on kurtas, it will look good, like short kurtas. So she bought this kapda. This was I think 300 rupees meter. Yeah, this was 300 something rupees meter. She's got 2 meters so that she can stitch a short kurta. These are my glares which again I've been searching. So yeah, that was that. So we got this bag free from Sargalem. I don't know, it's like a normal bag. It's a normal bag that we got free. So ठीक है चलो free का कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है. We got another thing free which we have got last. So we got another thing free which we had got last time as well. They are these Vinchans. I have not shot anything in Preeta's room. Otherwise you would have seen there are those Vinchans, wooden Vinchans. तो वो भी हमको free मिल गए. वो उनके पास मुझे लगता है सादा है. We got a little bit different one. Preeta's one does not have. It's too heavy. Preeta's one does not have this. It's just this part. It does not have belly. It's for 600 rupees. So we got something worth 600 rupees. So yeah, this is the Preeta saman. And let me keep it here. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up and also like, share, subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Ta-da!